Hey everyone, DeltaFan270 here with a 1/400 scale model airplane collection. And when I put all my models on the airport board, it's actually kind of scary. And there's still more over here. But the amount of Delta I have is just amazing when I line it all up. And I'm probably going to make this the thumbnail of the video, because it just looks so amazing. But anyway, let's get right into this. Delta Connection Saab 340, Delta Connection E170, Delta 717, Delta MD88, Delta MD88, Delta MD88, Delta MD90, Delta 737-700, Delta 737-800 new model, Delta 737-900, Delta 737-900 Spirit of Seattle, Delta 752, Delta 752 SkyTeam, Delta 757-300, Delta 763 Winglets, Delta 767-300 ER, Habitat for Humanity, Delta 777-200 LR, Delta A319, Delta A320, Delta A320, Delta A330-200, and Delta A330-300. Now let's cover American Eagle CRJ-700, American 738 old livery, American 738 new livery, American 752 new livery, American 333 new livery, American MD-80 old livery, American A319. Well, this is, like I said on other videos, it's US Airways, but it's going to be American at my airport. But it's American A319 new livery, US Airways A319 Allegheny. Now this has American titles, but what are you going to do? American A321 new livery, well, this is US Airways also, but it's just American at my airport. American A330-300. US Airways A320, American DC-10, but the gear came off in an accident. I think the gear is just weak or something. I don't know. That's a real story, not like some type of airport story. Now let's cover Southwest 737-300, Southwest 737-700 Nevada Battleborn, Southwest 737-800. This has a balancing problem, and I can't really fix it. And Southwest 737-800 Warrior 1, I got this when, this was the first version of the 737-800 Southwest Airlines by Gemini Jets. And the gear sadly came off in an accident when my airport was on the ground. But it still works with, like, if I have it on the stand on the runway. AirTran 717 Orlando Magics, AirTran 737-700. Now let's go over to United Express CRJ-200, United Express CRJ-700, United A319, United A320, United A320 Friendship, United 753, United DC-8. And over to the low-cost carriers, Allegiant MD-80, JetBlue A320 Sharklets, JetBlue A320 10th Anniversary, JetBlue A321, Virgin America A319, Alaska 737-800, Boeing colors, Spirit A319, Sun Country 738, Frontier A319, Hawaiian A330-200. Now we have some classic stuff over here. Northwest Orient 727-100, Northwest Orient 707, Northwest DC-9-30, Northwest Airlink CRJ-900, and a Republic 727-200. Now over to the international side. Aeromexico 737-700, Caribbean Airlines 737-800, WestJet 737-800, Qantas 747-400, Lufthansa 748, Intercontinental, Air Canada Rouge 767-300, China Southern 777-200, Qatar 777-300 One World, KLM A330-200 95 years, KLM DC-10, Emirates Sky Cargo 744. Oh wait, no, let's actually go over here. Virgin Atlantic A330-300, Air France A340-300, I think, yeah. Interjet A320, and a British Airways 787-8. Now over to the cargo. Emirates Sky Cargo 744, operated by TNT. Asiana Cargo 744, and the Cargolux 744. FedEx MD 10-30, UPS 767-300, UPS 767-300, UPS MD 11. And now over to the military stuff, we have the US Air Force C5 painted gray, and another US Air Force C5 painted light gray and white. That's my collection video. I thought this was going to be a long video, but it's actually not, to my surprise. But I don't know when I'm going to do an airport update, but once I get 2 more models, because I already got the new Delta 738, I'll do an update most likely. But I hope you enjoyed that video. Those are all my 1/400 scale planes. And this is strictly 1/400. I have more stuff that I might do in the future. But that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time.